like truly amazed at this. How do y'all do this?
What's going on, you guys? Jerick120 here on the streets of Los Angeles on Melrose, and we're gonna do some street magic for Daily Street Magic. I wanted to talk to you guys about the concept of going out and doing street magic and the way I'm thinking of when I'm approaching people and why I'm approaching certain people, what I'm going to say. And in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the use of the camera being a crutch. So it's going to make it a lot easier. People are going to be more apt to saying yes because I'm giving them the excuse of, we're filming this we're making a TV show, we're making a YouTube video, we're making a documentary, whatever the case. The camera being there is just going to make them okay to see it. And then later we'll hide the camera and show you, different techniques for approaching people. So getting dressed today, I just wanted to dress casual. When in doubt, wear black. And I got my black jeans because it holds some of my cards. Normally I might just be in shorts, but this is just a very non-threatening casual look. Average. I tied my hair back. I shaved up my hair to try to look presentable. I put my contacts in. I want people to you want to try to make yourself look as attractive as you can make yourself, because people are more open to talking to people that they think are, took some time to work on themselves that day, if that makes sense. No one wants to talk to a lazy bum. And just last night, my beard was really bushy and I looked gross, and here's a picture of me from last night. Now here's how I look today, because I knew we were gonna be shooting. So I'm totally gonna use the camera as a crutch, and it's going to work, and especially this group of people or so. So watch and learn. And you can use this yourself too, just bring a camera out.
This is not ice cream, this is ice.
Hey, how's it going? We're filming a documentary of like magic and stuff. I wanted to see if maybe you wanted to see like a magic trick.
Oh,
just
okay.
really quick and easy, harmless. Cool?
Okay, and I'm gonna show you one too.
Okay, cool. Do you want to go first?
All right, can I have a heavy ice?
How you doing?
I'm about to show you my little bit of magic.
I'm looking forward to seeing it. We got some happy ice on the way out here in Melrose.
My happy ice magic. Just put in a little. No, give me a regular cup.
We need a little sample. Just a little one
fact,
with extra love.
Rainbow
extra
Rocket?
love sounds good to me.
Rainbow Rocket.
Most popular flavor.
Rocket. So you do magic?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what's up. That's great.
That's what's going on. Do you want me to show you? Try something really quick?
Go ahead.
Is this one rubber band or two?
One.
All right, here's one. Could I take this rubber band from here?
Yes, you can.
Try it out. Okay, so check this out. Your rubber bands, right?
Right.
Nothing fancy about them. I got my rubber bands right here just in case you didn't, but I'm gonna borrow yours. Is that cool? So you can see that they're actually interlocked here, right?
Right.
That's not an illusion. Plus being your rubber bands makes it that much better. There's this theory called quantum physics. It's the concept where if I aligned all my atoms perfectly with this wall, a solid and a solid, I could theoretically go through the wall if I aligned all my atoms perfectly.
Okay.
So here's like a more simplified version of showing it. So these are intertwined, but watch, I can't go out the top, I can't go at the bottom, but if I can align all these atoms of the rubber bands just perfectly,
you lying to me. How did you do that? And you didn't even do anything. Your rubber bands are still there. How did you do that? And they are mine. Wow.
here, how about this? Make two guns, two bang bangs, facing each other. Give me a little hook. Watch this. And now close your fists together and put your thumbs over the bands. Perfect. So, again, same thing. Take this very fairly, and that's in there, right?
Right.
Twist tied. So, can't go out this hand.
Right.
Can't go out this hand, it's locked, right? It's still in there. Can't go at the top, bottom, middle, but just rub it.
Yo! And you can feel it. How did you do that? Whoa. How did you do that? How long? like truly amazed at this. How do y'all do this? And he still got it on his hands the way he was going through the rubber band with it to pull it out. How did you do that? Like, wow. That's awesome.
Thank you.
It's really awesome. Really awesome. So you messed it up. You wasn't supposed to do that part. You gotta give him another one now.
You blew it.
All he had to do was put it in his mouth.
Here's our magic.
Thank you. Okay, let's see your magic.
You have to eat
You wanna
it.
explain
Oh,
it?
okay. All right. This, what flavor is this? You said?
That's Rainbow Rocket. It's all our flavors. Look at your spoon.
Whoa! Look at that magic. That's beautiful.
That was
This
our
is
magic.
delicious.
It's water ice all the way from Philadelphia.
I love Philadelphia.
Yes.
It's probably my favorite city.
That's what it is.
Let me
Are you from Philly?
Yes, we're from Philadelphia. Yes.
Okay. I'm from Jersey.
let me ask you a question. I came up here, said hello, whatever. You could have said no. I was just like, we're doing something with magic. You could have said no, not interested,
Right.
whatever. What was it that made you feel down to see it?
The motto of a Happy Ice is where we come from. Peace, love, and happy ice.
Peace, love, and happy ice.
Yeah.
Just in your nature.
It's in our nature. That's our nature. That's the way we are. It's no mean spots in us. We just want to be happy and live life carefree.
Awesome.
Change the culture.
This tastes very good.
Thank you.
Very, very good.
Thank you. All
right, you guys.
Appreciate it.
Make it disappear.
Oh, I'm working on it. Slowly but surely. All right, just turn around real quick. Just turn around. Awesome. All right. Well, thank you guys
Thank
very
you. I
much.
appreciate it. Nice trick.
Thank you. So let me keep talking to you guys about something during that I hope you noticed.
What is your name?
Evan. You can search. Here, I'll give you this card. Hope you guys noticed this one thing that I did during her reactions, and that was just be silent. I didn't rush into being like, here, let me show you this next thing. Let me, like, here, do your fingers like this. It's just, I wanted to let her react as much as I possibly could. So a lot of magicians like to interrupt their spectator and say, okay, well, cool, now let's see the next thing. When you can create a much stronger reaction if you just... The idea of a camera being there, using it as a crutch. Yeah, we're out on the streets, we're trying to make a video showing you guys what to say and how to do it, but a benefit for you could be having someone take a camera, go out with you, and using the camera as a crutch just to get some reps in, get some performances in. Say, hey, we're filming this for whatever, and then they automatically think, oh, they're not going to ask us for money because they're filming it. So our payment to them is just letting them film it. And it also gives you the benefit of watching yourself perform back. What could you have said differently? How could you have done it better? Did you flash, and how can you avoid that next time? Using the camera as a crutch is a beautiful tool that you can always use to your arsenal. Just say, we're making a movie. I'm just practicing magic and I'm trying to learn how to get better, so I want to film it. Could I show you some magic? Cool. And in the future, we'll show you videos of what to say when a camera's not around, and you'll see how people react differently and what you need to do or say or manipulate the situation to get what you want out of it. But the camera as a crutch is always going to be your friend. And if you feel bad or like you're cheating for using the camera as a crutch, or that was an authentic approach or whatever, like you feel bad, this is all manipulation anyway. We're trying to learn how to manipulate a system or manipulate people or things, whether it's psychologically or with our hands or whatever the case. This is all manipulation to get you what you want. You can use this manipulation tactic for other things too. Can we film magic because we're filming a documentary? Well, you could go to the airport and be like, hey, could I cut in front of you because I'm gonna miss my flight? You saying because and then giving a reason, people unconsciously feel like you just gave them something, So they need to give you something in return. You could be like, oh, could I cut in front of you in line because I just want to cut in front of you in line? Like, chances, they might let you cut in front of them in line just because you gave them a reason. They feel they need to repay you. So anytime you say, can I do this because blank, people will probably give you what you want. You'll be shocked what you can get just by asking for it and giving a reason why you want it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm Jarek120. Come back tomorrow for another Daily Street Magic video. Make sure to like and comment this video because I'll be hosting a contest once I hit 900,000 subs. Check out my other social media, all at Jarek120, and my second channel, Best Life I Ever Had. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.